Samsung is about to take the biggest decision ever. The Galaxy S21 series is unlike any other series we have ever seen from Samsung because this time it is going to make things very simple. We've heard this rumor early on in the year, but now it seems like it's pretty much confirmed. According to Ice Universe, it's 100% confirmed that for the first time in history, a Samsung Galaxy S flagship phone will have S Pen support separately. And seems like it's only coming with the S21 Ultra. If we look at the design of the S21 Ultra, there is no built-in S Pen support, so that only means that S Pen will be offered as a separate accessory. So S Pen on a S21 Ultra phone means Samsung just pretty much killed its Galaxy Note series, because the only thing that made the Note series special was the S Pen. The reason why the Note flagships were so popular back in the days was because of their big phablet size. But nowadays, the S series is just as big as the Note series. We also have similar specification, like the only big thing that separates the two series is the S Pen. Recently, Samsung has cut down on the production of the Note 20 family, both Note 20 and Note 20 Ultra. That's kind of a sign that Samsung is about to take some big decisions. The other big factor is that Samsung has its main focus set on the foldable Z series, which is why they probably had to make a smart decision, and that was giving the S Pen to the S21 Ultra. Even if Samsung decides to launch the Note 21 later down the year, it still pretty much kills the Note series. Now, if the Note 21 does indeed happen, it might still give you a built-in free S Pen, unlike the S21 Ultra. Also, the Galaxy Note has its own signature boxy design. Perhaps Samsung could make the Note series more powerful, but again, the main reason that makes the Note series is just gone. Samsung is also rumored to introduce the S Pen on the Z Fold 3 for the first time. A foldable phone will offer S Pen, most likely built in. From a business point of view, I do think it's the right decision, but let me know your thoughts about this in the comment section below. Also, today was a big day. Samsung has officially announced its first 5nm processor, the Exynos 1080. It is finally official. It was announced in China. If you compare this processor to last year's Exynos 980, the jump in performance and specs is just too good to be true. The Exynos 1080 is featuring Cortex A78 cores and a 10-core Mali G78 GPU. It offers both sub-6 GHz and mm-wave 5G modem capability. It's also the first ever Samsung chip that is using the new 5LPE solution. Now, this chip completely outperforms the Qualcomm 865 Plus flagship chip of this year, so you can only imagine how the performance will be on the Exynos 2100 processor. So that's all the latest news. For the first time, S Pen is coming to a Galaxy S flagship phone. I know a lot of people out there will be happy, but I do feel for the die-hard Note fans. Let's see if Samsung actually kills the Note 21. It will indeed be a very interesting year for Samsung, but let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.